Assalamu alaikum. How are you feeling today? I hopefully guess that everyone is okay by the great kindness of omnipotent Allah. Today I have come in front of you to show you another problem which is related to vector from the HSC level, and it is important for the HSC candidate 2024, and you are noticing a question which is written on notebook. Now I'm going to read out the whole question paper, and after that I will try my best to solve the question. Solve the mathematical problem. You are noticing the question that I'm going to read out. Each of two vector quantities has a value of 100 units. They act at an angle of 120 degrees to each other at the same point. Determine the value of the vector obtained or resultant vector or its direction. They have given us two conditions to solve. So we'll have to do it in our own accordance. You are noticing two questions which are also written down on the notebook. Value of resultant, the formula to determine the value of resultant are equal to root over p square plus q square plus 2pq cos alpha. And if you want to identify the direction of vector, then you will have to utilize the formula tan theta equal to q sin alpha by p plus q cos alpha. First of all, these formula have come from the parallelogram formula of vector. It is quite long description to describe in this short circumstance that I have to solve this question. So I'm not gonna show you the whole description of this formula. We will try it another day. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we will write down the formula. We know r square equal to r equal to root over p square plus q square plus 2pq cos alpha. And now we will have to note down all those data which are derived from the question paper. P equal to 10, because two vector quantities has the same value, 10 units. That means p equal to 10 units. At the same way, q will be 10 units. 10 unit, yes. And here the angle, the quantity of angle, alpha will be 120 degree. Now we will have to place them in the formula 10 square plus 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 10 cos 120 degree. If you calculate them by a calculator, then you will obviously get the quantity, the value of the vector, vector obtained or resultant vector value will be root over 100. If you do the square root, then you will get 10 unit. Okay, this is the value of vector obtained or resultant vector. Now we'll have to identify the direction of this vector. Okay, if you want to identify the direction of vector, then you will have to know the formula of direction. Tan theta equal to, again we will write again, tan theta equal to q sin alpha p plus q cos alpha. Okay, just write down all the magnitudes from the question paper. Tan theta equal to we know the value of q is 10, and sin alpha means 120 degree, and p, the magnitude of p is 10 plus 10 cos 120 degree. If you place those value, tan theta equal to, you will get obviously 10 into sin 120 degrees magnitude is root 3 by 2, and 10 plus 10 cos 120 degrees magnitude is, then if you calculate with a calculator these magnitudes, then you will obviously get root 3, and theta equal to will be tan inverse 1 root 3, then the value will be 60 degree. This is the answer. I think that you have got it. If you do not understand, please let me know. Then I will try my best to understand the topic, make you understand the topic very perfectly. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you.